Hey guys, check out this 2018 Toyota Tundra. It's got the blacked out package. It has a TSS off-road package that gives it the wheels and tires, the wheel flares, a couple other features. It's a package that Toyota dealerships down south put on some of their SR or SR5 trim levels, which this one's the SR5. Very clean truck. Let's check out the inside. Auto high beams, adaptive cruise control, lane keep alert, navigation, backup camera. Check out the steering wheel. We only have 94,000 miles on this one, and I love this feature. The power sliding rear window. The whole window slides down or up. Let's check out the back seat. We've got plenty of room for all your passengers. But yeah, this is a very clean truck. If you guys want to come check it out, let me know. Thanks for watching.